So guys, let's create a new project. Tab on top left corner, select the folder where you have your files. Let's go with this one. Press next. Now for the fireworks effect, select the pip layer, photos. Here we have 4 types of firework overlay. You can download them from the video description. Let's play it. Pause around the midsection. Look for blending. Then either lighten or the screen. Scale it up a little bit. Position it where you like. Let's import our second firework. Tab on this button, photos. Same, position the clip from where you want to start your second firework and follow the same process. And we are done. So thank you guys for watching. Have a good day.